Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana on this side. I am coming up with Vedic math tricks on cubing. These will be 4 types of questions. I am coming up on my notes so that you are able to understand properly. Thank you very much. Keep on watching my videos. If you like it, please do subscribe it. Also share it among your friends. So here I come with my notes. Thank you. God bless you. Hello friends, I am coming with my notes on the cubes or cubing. Look here, first of all we will be dealing with 2-digit numbers. You already know a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We shall be dealing with this. So here example is that 23 cube. So A is 2 and B is 3. So we shall be dealing like this. Now I am coming with more examples. 24 cube. A is 2 and B is 4. Now you let us substitute in the formula. A cube 3a square B 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula. So put the slashes here. In place of plus, you put slash here. So now 4 cube, you know 64 is there. 4 square into 2 into 3. That is 96. And this is 4 into 2 square into 3. This is 48. And 2 cube is 8. So you have to keep single digit between the two consecutive slashes. अब देखिए ये भी स्लैश है, ये भी स्लैश है, ये भी स्लैश है, ये भी स्लैश है. आपको एक डिजिट रखना है, बाकी कैरी कर देने हैं. Now it is 125. Keep only 5 here. Take 12 on this side. Add 12 on this. It becomes 162. Now keep 2 here. Take 16 here. It becomes 76. Keep 6 here, take 7 this. So it is 7 plus 8, 15. So answer is 15,625. So this is how we will be going ahead with 2-digit numbers. Now number close to 100. 104 cube. आपने सिर्फ 1 और 4 को देखना है, 0 भूल जाओ. So 1 cube plus 3a square b. A is 1, b is 4. 3a square, 1 square, 4. Next 3ab square. Then b cube, 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. And this is 48. This is 12. And this is 1. Write all this. 1, 12, 4, 8, 6, 4. So this is how we have to cube. Now again 105 cube. A आपने only 15 को देखना है. 1 cube means a cube 3a square b 3 1 square 5 plus 3 1 5 square plus 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. 5 square into 3 is 75. 5 into 3 is 15 and this 1. Answer will come 1, 15, 76, 25. Very easy, very easy. It is, numbers are close to 200. 203 square cube. It is 2 cube. Only you have to see 2 and 3. A is 2 and B is 3. So A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square B cube. So 3 cube is 27. It is okay. 3 into 2 into 3 square is 54. This is okay. 3, 2 square into 3 is 36. This is okay. 2 cube is 8. This is okay. We have to keep 2 digits between the two consecutive slashes. So these are the 2 slashes. we have to keep only 2 digits. Here are 2 digits, 2 digits maximum. So here it is 1. So it will do. 205 cube. A is 2, B is 5. A cube 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. So 5 cube is 125. 5 square into 2 into 3. 6 into 5 square 25, 150. And this comes 60. This is 8. How we will be writing it? We will be keeping only 2 digits here. It is 125. 3 digits are there. Keep 25. Take 1 as carry. It becomes 151. Write 51 here. Take 1 here. 60 and 1. 61. 8. So it becomes 8, 61, 51, 25. So this is how we'll go about. And in this case, it is 3-digit number. 3 6 is there. 3 cube, A cube, 3A square B, 3 square 6, 3AB square, 3 6 square, and 6 cube. What you find here? It is 216. Keep only 2 digits. Take 2 to this side. It becomes 326. Write 26 here. Take 3 on this side. It becomes 165. Keep 65. 1 will go here. It becomes 28. So answer is 28, 65, 26, 16. So this is how we will be going at when we have to cube numbers which are of 2 digits, then numbers close to 100, numbers close to 200, and numbers close to 300. So this was all what I wanted to teach you today. I hope you might have understood. These are very easy tricks. Only you have to remember the formula of A plus B whole cube. So A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. This is the formula. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I request you to like the videos and subscribe it. Thank you. God bless you. Good night.